we were not short of Indian cuisine or culture while growing up.
I still remember the flavor, taste, still in my mind.
That being said, I never wanted to cook because the food which we had at home was tedious spice mixes, hours in the kitchen, the effort. It's beautiful how the world functions. It's the very thing which you run away from becomes such an integral part of you. We met while working together at the Taj in Dubai. We built a friendship which continued over years. I used to watch travel shows. I was very intrigued by Arizona. And when the opportunity arose, it was just a phone call and I said that, chef, hey, I'm going to America to open an Indian restaurant. I have no idea what I'm doing. Would you like to come? And he's like, yes. I think a lot of similarities between Sonoran cuisine and Indian cuisine. We use a lot of legumes. Let's look at what Arizona has to offer in terms of legumes. That's when I came across Tepary beans.
लोग वहाँ के जो सोनोरन डेजर्ट के लोकल पीपल हैं वो इसे काफ़ी टाइम से उगा रहे हैं। किसी भी लोकल प्रोडक्ट को उगाने के लिए जो हार्ड वर्क, जो इक्विपमेंट, इन्वायरमेंट होता है, वो चीज़ कहीं और नहीं उग सकती है।
It's drought resistant, so it grows with very less water. It has a nice creamy, earthy, nutty texture depending on what kind of bean you actually use. It's perfect for Indian food.
I'm preparing Tepary bean sea kebab. First, you have to soak the Tepary beans overnight, and next day you have to boil the Tepary beans. Then you have to add some chilies, mint, and some Indian spice. Then make a smooth mixture and put in the skewer and cook inside the tandoor.
We are the only restaurant in the valley which uses a charcoal tandoor.
It's a very difficult because temperature always 700, 800 Fahrenheit, and it's very dangerous. Whenever oil or something drip in the charcoal, that smoke give a flavor.
I'm using the brown bean, which we are going to make into a savory galette or a tikki as it's popularly known in India. We're going to flavor them with some spices. We sear it on the plancha or a griddle. We're going to pair it with a little bit of beetroot and pickled walnut emulsion and some local microgreens from our local supplier based here in Arizona. You're going to get the spiciness from the pickled radishes, the creaminess of the beans. You're going to get a little bit of sweetness from the pickled walnut emulsion. I think all of it's going to come so deliciously together on a plate. The Sonoran Desert has so much to offer. Things like chiltepin, things like nopales. We have heard of them. We've read about them. We've never seen them. We've never tasted them. And now we're in a position of privilege to use these ingredients, bring it into our cuisine, let them have their moment, let these southwestern ingredients shine. This restaurant's built on a lot of faith and trust because it shows us where we are, who we are. We would like everybody to feel that we bring India closer to you. Take us closer to your homes where your heart is.